Hello, what is an infinitive? Infinitives are great additives to our everyday language. Given their ability to take on the role of nouns, adjectives, or adverbs, they can modify nearly every part of speech. Infinitive is the simple, uninflected form of a verb, expressing its general sense. Infinitives are the to form of the verb. The infinitive form of read is to read. Infinitives can also be used as the subject, the complement, or the object of a sentence. They can also be used as the object following a verb. Example: Shekhar always forgets to clean. Infinitives can be used as a subject when used at the beginning of a sentence. Example: to read is important. It can be used as an adverb modifying a verb. You promised to buy me a car. It can be used as an adjective modifying a noun. Dinesh has the ability to succeed. In certain cases, some verbs are directly followed by an infinitive. Do you want to call your friend now? Common rules in both gerunds and infinitives. There are times when some verbs can be followed by an infinitive or a gerund without changing the meaning. For example, will you continue working after marriage? Will you continue to work after marriage? So both sentences, they communicate the same meaning. In one case it's a gerund that's functioning to communicate the meaning, and in the second sentence we have the infinitive, working, to work. Some verbs can be followed by an infinitive or a gerund with a change in the meaning. Look at this sentence: he stopped drinking tea. He never drank tea again. So he stopped drinking tea. Look at the second sentence: he stopped to drink tea. So he was traveling and then he stopped to have some tea. He stopped to drink tea. He stopped whatever he was doing to drink tea. Two different meanings are being communicated in this case. Now there is a simpler version of the infinitive. This is the bare infinitive. The word to is frequently used with an infinitive, but it is not an essential part or sign of it. When an infinitive is used without the marker to, it is called a bare infinitive. Now what are its uses? The infinitive is used without to after certain verbs like bid, let, make, see, hear, need, dare, etc. I bade him go, not I bade him to go. Let him sit there, not let him to sit there. She made me cry, not she made me to cry. No. I heard him sing a lovely song, not I heard him to sing a lovely song. No. The bare infinitive is also used after the verbs will, would, shall, should, may, might, can, could, and must. I will wait. You must obey my instructions. He can speak 5 languages. You should come to school in time. The infinitive is also used without to after had better, would rather, sooner than, and rather than. Let us look at a few examples. You had better ask his permission. I would rather die than surrender. He would rather play than work. So watch out for those infinitives next time you see sentences in English. Thank you.